Hey guys, I just want to show you how to work with World Builder a little bit in case you're absent yesterday. I know we had a 2-hour delay. When you're going through World Builder, it's very specific, especially because of the network. You have to make sure you go through Start and Computer. Let me show you what happens if you don't. If you just go through a folder, your regular folder, which some of you do, and Documents, if you go into your Carl folder and try and open World Builder, you'll see the batch file try and open, but it won't stay. Okay, that's because we did not go through our network drive. We have to make sure we go to Start, Computer, then go to your network location, go into your Carl folder, and then you'll see your World Builder. It should be alphabetically, and then you'll see it open. Okay, so to use World Builder, a couple things. If you want to resize your world, you have to make sure you hit Enter. If I resize this to avenues to be 7, so streets are on the left side, avenues are in the bottom because they run up and down. And you can't see the 7 down here, nothing's wrong. You have to move it. And you have to readjust it so you can see them. Okay, so to clear your world, to add a horizontal wall, we have to make sure we select horizontal wall. And we can click anywhere in between the streets. If you make a mistake, you can hit your Control key and click on that horizontal wall. For a vertical wall, click on vertical wall in the legend area. Make sure that you click there. If you make a mistake, you hold the Control key and you can get rid of that. If, let's say, you want to go back and get rid of a horizontal wall again, you have to select horizontal wall and you have to make sure that you hold your Control key. Beepers are a little bit different. Click on a beeper, they go on the intersections. Click on one, click on another. The more you click, the higher it goes. Same way to get rid of them. Hold your Control key, it will take away one at a time. But if you hold your Shift, it will take them all away. Same as if you hold your Control key and click on an intersection. It looks like double zeros. If you push them together, then you actually have an infinity symbol. Clicking's not going to work. It takes away one at a time. You're infinite. So you have to hit the Shift key to get rid of those. So if you want to save a world, so let's clear the world and let's do a vertical wall here, horizontal, and then we'll put 2 more vertical walls in. This is actually our wall from our world from ASG1A. To save it, we have to make sure this classes folder is not correct. It's from a different class. You have to make sure that you go into your Carl folder, into the project you might be working on, and into the classes folder. And it's not untitled.kworld, it's world.txt, not T-E-X-T, T-X-T. And yours will save. I already have one in there. Okay? When you're done, if you're ready to start a new world, you can clear it, create a new world, or if you're done for the day, you can just exit out of them. Okay, hope that helps you.